Hey, over there, my dear talking tots. Welcome to Talking Tots. Today, I want to take you where? To the old Macdonald farm. Old Macdonald's farm. Are you excited? So am I. So come with me, then come with me. Come on, let's go with me. Come with me and come with me. Come on, let's go with me. Yay! Hooray! So we are in the farm. Old Macdonald's farm. Old Macdonald's farm. Old Macdonald's farm. There's so many animals here. Cows, sheep, pigs, goats. Wow! Let's sing the old Macdonald song. Let's sing the old Macdonald song. Yay! Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo here and a moo there, here moo, there moo, everywhere moo. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Do you know, kids, what do we call a baby cow? A cow. And their mommy, a cow. Their daddy, a bull. Yay! Let's sing again. Hooray! Hooray! Let's sing again. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh here and a neigh there, here neigh, there neigh, everywhere neigh. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Look, over here, it's a pond with so many ducks, What do the ducks say? Tweet, tweet? No. Oink, oink? No. Then what? Quack, 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 quack. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack, quack here and a quack, quack there, here quack, there quack, everywhere quack, quack. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Ducks are so good at swimming. Can you swim with me? Let's swim with me. Come swim with me. Swim with me. Hey, what's that? It's a fluffy animal. It's sheep. Yay! What do the sheep say? Oink oink? No. Roar? No. Baba! Yay! Ba 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 ba. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a baba here and a baba there, here ba there ba, everywhere baba. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Hey, it's a group of sheep. What do we call a group of sheep? Flock! Yay! Flock, flock, flock. F-L-O-C-K, flock, flock, flock. Flock, flock, flock. So now do you know? So many farm animals. So many farm animals. But wait, there's more. There is more to learn. What about the dogs and the pigs and the chickens? Chicken. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here woof there, woof everywhere, woof woof. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Dogs love to wag their tail, wag their tail when they are so happy. Happy. Can you make a happy face? Happy face and say, I am so happy. Happy. Here are some chicken. What chickens say clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Good. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some chickens, E-I-E-I-O. With a clack, clack here and a clack, clack there. Here, clack, there, clack, everywhere, a clack, clack. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Here are some pigs. What do the pigs say? Woof, woof? No. Hee-haw? No. Oink, oink? Yay! Oink, 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 oink. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink, oink here and an oink, oink there. Here, oink, there, oink, everywhere, and oink, oink. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Pigs have a snout to smell the things. Just like our nose, they have a snout. S-N-O-U-T. Snout, snout, snout. Learning about animals was so much fun. Never hurt animals and take care of them. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye.